Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade in Quotex. Quotex is a modern digital options trading platform designed for ease of use. It offers a straightforward interface, making it accessible for both new and experienced traders. You can trade various assets, including currencies, commodities, and indices, with potential returns often reaching up to 95% on successful predictions. We will cover everything from setting up your account to executing your first trade. Getting started on Quotex is simple. First, you will need to register for a new account using your email or social media. After registration, complete the quick verification process to ensure security. Next, fund your account. Quotex supports many payment options, including e-wallets and cryptocurrencies. The minimum deposit is typically just $10, allowing you to begin trading with a small initial investment. Now, let's dive into the trading mechanics. Digital options involve predicting whether an asset's price will go up or down within a set time frame. Quotex provides various analytical tools, such as moving averages and Bollinger Bands, to help you analyze market trends. Understanding these indicators is crucial for making informed decisions. Start by practicing with a demo account to refine your strategy without risking real funds. Finally, it's time to execute your trades and manage risk. Select an asset, choose your investment amount, and predict the price direction. You can set trade durations from 1 minute to several hours. Remember, effective risk management is vital. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider starting with small amounts, perhaps 1 or 2% of your total capital per trade, to minimize potential losses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.